Hello, my name is John Fei Liu. I'm a professor of Marine Science Institute of the University of Texas at Austin. I'm a organic geochemist, but also environment analytical chemist. So my work focuses on understand the fate, transformation, and the fate of the natural organic matter, and also anthropogenic organic matter. So I'm using the pyrolysis system, the frontier pyrolysis, because it's offered this furnace technology. The reason that allow you to control at what temperature you pyrolyze the sample. So you can, we call it thermal slicing, using different temperature slices to pyrolyze the sample. And then you can, through the GC, MS, or mostly the triple quad, to look at the pyrolysate, characterize them. I think that one of the huge advantages of this technique is allow me to do the thermal slicing, because a lot of natural organic matter, including microplastics, they're very complicated. So the reason you can have thermal slicing add a whole another dimension of the characterization of the organic matter. So I think it's a great technology. We have been using this since 2012, so been more than a decade. So we're using different organic matter, including the natural organic matter, the tall balls after the oil spill, and recently microplastic. So I think we just tap into the surface and there are a lot more to work on it. So I'm very excited for the future, what this instrument can offer. The other thing I want to add is that the pyrolysis GCMS is advantage, offer a lot of advantage, because it offer absolutely quantitative information. Say when you compare the FTIR or the Raman analysis, so you don't, those type of image or analysis really limited by the sample size, where the pyrolysis, you can burn anything or you can pyrolyze anything, that including all the plastic. Where the Raman FTIR, you're really limited by the size. So you have to go to tens of micron or even higher in order to see the microplastic. But the pyrolysis, all you need is purify the sample and you pyrolyze the whole thing. That can include nano or microplastic. So that's a very advantage. So that's one of the reasons a lot of medical science or other fields, in addition to the environmental science, had the pyrolysis become the go-to tool in terms of quantifying the microplastic in different type of samples. So I have a lot of projects I'm working on. So in addition to a lot of environmental sample, we have a couple projects where we're dealing with the biological tissues, including the mice tissue or the human tissues. So the idea is to look at the connection between cancer and the presence of the microplastic in human tissues. I think certainly we know microplastic or nanoplastic is a threat to the human health. So there is a motivation to figure out how they exactly affecting the human health. And I think a pyrolysis GCMS is one way we can get a definite answer on this important issue.